QD coffee makes me happy. Well, after an extended winter, we had a stretch of record hot temperatures. Crazy turnaround. It's not unusual here in West Michigan. This is a place of extreme, so growing up here you get used to it after a while. Like 1 week it was high temperatures in the 30s with snow and wind chills in the 20s. The next week it was highs in the 80s, and we've almost hit 90 degrees the last couple days. And so the fishing was pretty terrible in April, and all of a sudden here we are mid-May, and it's really turned around. I stood on the bridges here in the river and caught all kinds of smallmouth bass last night, rock bass and northern pike. Didn't have my camera with me, but figured I'd come right back out here in the morning, get some QD donuts and coffee, and fish right here in town, right in the village here. So it's a beautiful day. Supposed to thunderstorm this afternoon, so I plan to fish all morning. I have a feeling I'm going to catch a lot of fish here. Pretty much everything I caught last night was on the traditional Ned rig, natural color finesse TRD on a 1/10 ounce jig, all Z-Man stuff. So I'm sure I'll continue to use that this morning along with the Hellgrammite. And I did get quite a few hits on the Whopper Plopper 75 last night, but they did not aggressively chomp down on it, so I was not able to hook them. I think it's just a little bit too early for topwater. Maybe one more week of warm weather before topwater is effective. So let's get out there and give it a shot. Stunningly beautiful morning. In the 70s already, going to be really hot, and then a cold front's going to come in this afternoon, causing pop-up thunderstorms. But I should have a nice 5-6 hour window here to fish. It is 7:46. I slept in, much needed sleep. So it's amazingly already getting warm here. But I don't think I'll even notice once I start catching fish. So. Got a hit on my second cast with the Whopper Plopper 75. Once again, he didn't chomp down on it, so it's still exciting, but we're gonna give it a shot here this morning. This looks too good for topwater to not give it a good try. Hopefully I can get some strikes on camera. Let's get a cast right in there. Tiny little window in these trees right there. Got my first one on the Whopper Plopper of the year of 2022. He hit it the first time and missed it, so I cast back over there, and he got it the second time. Nice fish. Woo! Is that a largemouth or a smallmouth? Gotcha. I think that's a largemouth. Yeah, it's a largemouth. I was not expecting that. I don't catch many largemouths here. Flip the bail, get the pliers. These hooks are crazy sharp. Don't want them going in my hand. Wow, nice unexpected catch this morning of a largemouth. Nice large chunky largemouth. Ooh, nice way to start the morning. 3 or 4 hits already in 5 minutes with the Whopper Plopper. Guess I'll stick with it for a while for sure. Casting another nice fish on here with the Whopper Plopper. It's gonna be a Whopper Plopper morning. That's for sure. Ooh, this one feels like it might be even better than the last one. Oh no, he's gonna get me under this log. Can be quite a juggling act, landing nice fish on the kayak sometimes. It's a smallmouth this time. Fall hooked him a little bit, making him feel a little bit bigger than he is, but wow, these river smallies, of course, are incredibly powerful. Can't get that hook out. Ah, there we go. Whopper Plopper 75 in a natural color. Thank you, sir. Oh yeah. Great stuff. What a way to start the morning. He was right back in there in that little cutout between the weeds. Right there. Oh, I'm spinning. One on the Whopper Plopper after several more hits and misses. Nice fish. Is this another largemouth or smallmouth? Largemouth. Crazy. Nice chunky largemouth. Flip the bail here. Whoops. Tangled. Awkward. Gotcha. There we go. Thank you, sir. On the Whopper Plopper. Feels pretty good. Oh yeah. Smallie. Woohoo! Nice smallmouth. Come here, buddy. Let me get a hold of you before I get hooked. Yeah. Not as big as I thought, but once again, the river smallmouths, they're just so much stronger living in this current. Thank you, sir. Yeah, right by the boat. Missed him. Whew. 2 hits in a row. Fast and furious this morning with the Whopper Plopper. Got to turn around here shortly. There's a waterfall. And on the Ned rig. It's gonna be one of those days. Oh my gosh, it's a big rock bass. Big chunker rock bass. They love the Ned rig. Thank you, sir. Nice smallmouth, and I missed the leap on the camera. There's another leap. Not as high as the first one. What a blast. This is my favorite fishing. In a river, for river smallies with the Whopper Plopper. Close second is catching them with the Ned rig and the Helgermite, but this is the best. Whew. Nice fish. Definitely the nicest one of the day so far. Oh, and he's off. That was a blast. Whew. Thank you, sir. There's one on the Ned rig. I don't know if it's the same fish, but I followed up that missed strike with the Ned, and oh yeah, I think this is the same fish. Yep, it is. Or similar size. Woohoo! Net worthy. What a day. Haven't even been here for an hour. This is insane. Come here, buddy. Yes, gotcha. Woohoo! Wow, I cannot believe I'm the only one fishing here. Thank you, sir. Ooh, did he swallow it? This could be difficult to get this one out. There, got it. Thank you, sir. Chunker. Oh, good cast. Oh, he missed it. Let's follow that up, of course. Come on, buddy. All right, let's try that with a Ned rig here. See if he'll take the Ned. No. Nice fish on the Whopper Plopper here after a little break. This one slammed it before I even started moving it. I think it's a smallie. Yeah, fighting like a smallie. Yep, big chunky river smallie. Big old muscles. Nice. Oh yeah, what a fish. I love these. Oh yeah. There you go. Thank you, sir. Could do this all day. I just had a nice smallie on. I knew there'd be one in this slack water. Should have hit record, darn it. He came off. Oh, there's another one. Got him on camera. Got his buddy. This one actually, ooh, is nicer than the other one. Oh my gosh. What a blast. It's a nice smallmouth fish of the day, I think. Oh yeah. This is what I live for right here. Oh yeah. Look at him go. Come here, buddy. Yeah. Gotcha. Ooh, what a fish. Thank you, sir. Yes, 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 yes. Slack current adjacent to heavy current. You know there's going to be smallies in there. I got 2 hits in a row. Nice fish. This is the best. Oh yeah. Thank you, sir. Oh, look at those colors. Let's do it again. Cast another one almost in the same spot. Just as big or bigger. Oh my gosh, it's bigger. What a day. One of the best days ever. Whopper Plopper 75. Oh, what a fish. Definitely get the net ready for this one. No more bringing them up with the line. Oh my gosh, what a fish. Please don't break my line. Keeps going under the kayak. Oh geez, he almost broke it right there on that run. That was super close. Come here, fish of the day. Yes, yes, got you, got you, got you, got you. Oh my gosh. I need to get a measuring stick. Why do I not have one? I don't know why. Ay, ay, ay. We'll measure him on my pole and then measure the pole later. I think he's got my lure all tangled up in the net, of course. And people are texting me at the very worst time. And I'm gonna run into some trees here because of the current. Oh, Lord in heaven. Whew, let's get over here in this slack water out of the current. Get my pliers ready here. Okay, let's get this guy unhooked. Oh my gosh. What a mess I'm in right here. All these tangles. This is supposed to be a tangle-proof net, but with the Whopper Plopper, hooks still get tangled in there. I think I got him unhooked though, yep. Oh my gosh, what a frickin' smallmouth. Oh Lord. Oh God. Come here, buddy. Look at that fish. Let's measure him on my pole here. He goes from there up to there. Okay, let's let you go. Thank you, sir. Oh, that was so amazing. Ooh, definitely one of the better mornings of topwater smallmouth fishing I've done. Got him. And he's gonna push me right into these trees. Oh my gosh, another nice one. Gotta try to paddle and keep him on at the same time. See if I can get over into the slack current where he was. Oh Lord, what a morning. This was worth the agonizing, terrible April of fishing, I'll tell you that. Oh. Yeah. Whew. Got into slack water here. Another nice one. Not as big, but still nice. Yeah. Oh yeah. Amazing. Thank you, sir. Another one on the Whopper Plopper here, but I'm in the current. Trying not to go into the trees while he's on my line here. Crazy. Whew. circling the boat. I'm gonna have to hold my rod like that and paddle. Oh, he's gonna break my line on my rod. Whew. Insanity. I need more hands. Meanwhile, the wife is texting me, telling me to come home, go out for breakfast with her and her mother. Another nice smallmouth. Oh, geez. Let's swing him in. Oh, yeah. And paddle away from the current here. Woo! That was insane. Oh, thank you, sir. He wasn't coming off. Holy moly. He was hooked good. I have to use the pliers to get this one out. It's right in the bone there. Whew. Might be the last fish. I don't want to leave, but I do want to go out for breakfast. So. One of the best mornings of topwater smallie action ever. Whew, thanks for watching.